probably tell, you just touched down in Beijing. Alright, so here's the deal. I was on the phone with my younger brother last week. So I asked him what he's up to. He's like, not a lot. And I was alright, come to China. I was like, cool. And he's about half an hour away in the car. Alright, quick change of the clothes and let's go say hi to the boy. Yes, let us do it. The younger brother has arrived. He has checked in and he is now in China. Mystery tour is the Forbidden City. We didn't know where it was and we found it. This dude was like, oh, I work here. And I was like, oh, here we go. This lad's gonna try to sell us something. Sales pitch. He tried to sell us some paintings and I was like, alright, cool man, yeah, whatever, we'll come back later. And then he gave us a free painting. And I was like, alright, cool man, yeah, no bother. Yeah, and then he wants us to book a tour and we're like, yeah, sure man, whatever.
Yeah, we'll come back later.
But yeah, Forbidden City, here we come. Alright, there you have it. Forbidden City. Very nice. Next spot, who knows? Alright, today's adventure. Today we're going to go to the Great Wall and the Ming tombs. It's going to be great crack.
So you're coming the river, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, because the Chinese pronunciation, that's more difficult for you. So you're coming the river, yeah, that's okay. Yeah. And the first look at me, yeah, that's okay. Look at me first, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, tomorrow you will forget me, yeah, that's okay. Yeah. But today look at me first and remember me for today, yeah, that's okay. Let's speak the Chinese.
Alright, we've arrived at the Ming tombs. We did a bit of bartering when we got here. She wanted 120 per hat, and we got her down to 25. So yeah, it was pretty good going. Almost 10% for two of the price. It wasn't bad. But anyway, we were at the Ming tombs. Took 3 hours to get here. She was talking loads on the bus, but it was great crack. Now we're going to go into the tombs and check them out. After that's the Great Wall, and then we're done. Boom. Alright.
And now they're here, the 13 tomb for the Ming emperors, but only to open the visitors. And today we visit the Changling. The Changling is the first tomb in this area for the third emperor in the Ming dynasty. No photos.
halfway through the Ming tours. Very cool place. Gotta get the selfie in though, prove I was in this place. Lads are loving it. All these Chinese dudes are getting pictures of it. It's the first time it's happened, but it's pretty funny. Photobomb. Man, it's bad luck to get a picture of someone. You can't be doing that. Bad luck. Bad luck. Okay, next stop along our tour is a jade manufacturing plant. We got the whole spiel, so we're going to see how it's made now.
You can guess, it's a real? How do you know?
Yeah, we're just done with the jade manufacturing plant, which was a good sales pitch, and now we're going to move on to the wall, the main attraction for today. Let's get it. Alright, the excitement begins. We just arrived at the wall, at least where we're going to start climbing the wall. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. The scenery is incredible, and then you can see the wall as we're driving through. It's really, really sick. But we're going to get a cable cart up to the wall now, and it's going to be pretty epic. Ascending the wall, not an easy task. It's like 45 degrees incline, but yeah, it's pretty cool, very impressive. We're like a third of the way up. We're going to keep on pushing and get to the top. We have climbed as high as we're going to climb. This place is packed. Half of China's in here right now, but wow, what a hike. And I'd imagine going early is a good idea. But yeah, incredible. Really incredible. What do you think, Michael? Yeah, pretty cool, yeah? Yeah, good hike. But anyway, this is it for our Great Wall experience. Alright, check it out. We are done in China. We did the wall, we did the... Yeah, we did a lot. I don't know, we just did a lot, alright? We can't really say exactly what we did, but yeah, we did a lot. Here's a list of stuff right here. Right, stuff ding 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 ding. Right, that's all the stuff we did, yeah? Really good crack. Unbelievable experience. Definitely coming back if I have the opportunity. I'll be so lucky if I can get to come back here. Didn't do a lot in Beijing because, well, it's so hot here. It rained a lot and it was very warm. We also went out last night and partied till about 7 AM, and today was a complete wipe off. But yeah, really sick. I'm flying out at 1:30 in the morning, so it's now like 9:30 in the evening, so it's not too bad. Michael's flying out at 11 o'clock in the morning, so Michael's gonna have to kill 12 hours in the airport. So Michael's gonna learn to speak Chinese while he waits for his flight. And I'm flying business class for the first time back to Abu Dhabi. It's going to be really sick. He's actually going to try to get a job for 12 hours, do a shift, make some money. But yeah, really sick, really cool. We're going to bounce out of here in about an hour. Going to get a car to the airport. And that's it, done. Alright, just arrived on this plane. Business class is sick. I have my own little pod, basically. So get a little hole underneath here to put my stuff. My table here. Another table here. Alright, my orange juice just arrived. Got a nice glass.
6 hours later.
Alright, a quick little intro into what my business class experience has been quick. Just enjoying some breakfast right now.